Very nice. Sabi ko, very nice, impressive. Ganito talaga dapat. Sabi ko, mas talagang mapupromote yan sa LRT lines, di ba? So, congratulations. Salamat sa magandang idea. I hope they can offer the same opportunity as we host the Futsal and the gymnastics. Sabi natin si Atty. Cabrera.
Ano masasabi na nakasakay dito kayo sir?
Ay, sumasakay talaga ako sa LRT. Kasi minsan, sa maraming traffic, this is the best. And maganda yung facility, maganda yung transportation. And sabi ko nga, kasama na yun. Maganda yung opportunity